Dear mariners, welcome to my channel The Sailing Beast. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos. We will discuss Section 348 in the Merchant Shipping Act, 1958. 348. Duty of master of ship to assist in case of collision. In every case of collision between two ships, it shall be the duty of the master or person in charge of each ship, in and so far as he can do so without danger to his own ship, crew and passengers, if any. A. To render to the other ship, her master, crew and passengers, if any, such assistance as may be practicable and may be necessary to save them from any danger caused by the collision and to stay by the other ship until he has ascertained that she has no need of further assistance, and b. To give to the masters or persons in charge of the other ships the name of his own ship and of the port to which she belongs, and also the names of the ports from which she comes and to which she is bound,